Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today I have a smoked bourbon barbecue sandwich for you. Alright, the first thing we have to do is make the barbecue sauce. As you can see here in this pot, I have 2 cups of ketchup. To that, I just added a half a cup of cider vinegar, apple cider vinegar, and a third of a cup of pineapple juice. And I just added a third of a cup of Kentucky bourbon. Now we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. And now we're going to add the spice mix, which is a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and a teaspoon of white pepper. And then we want to add 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. And then we're going to add a teaspoon and a half of hot sauce. And then you want to add a tablespoon of molasses. Then you want to turn on the gas to about medium, stir this around, and then you want to simmer this till the sauce is nice and thick to your liking. I think I had mine on somewhere between 30 and 40 minutes. So simmer away to your liking. All right, let's move on. Okay, we got our panini press set to about medium heat. And time to start assembling this here panini. Got a nice little piece of sourdough bread. A combination of freshly shredded Gouda and cheddar. Got some peppered bacon. How you make pepper bacon? Put some pepper on bacon, bake it in the oven. A little bit of our sauce. Some smoked turkey. More bacon. More turkey. More cheese. More bacon. Hey, there's no such thing as excessive bacon. And finally, the other thing of bread. Press the panini press down and give it a couple of minutes. Alright, and after a few minutes, you should have something that looks like this. So that is my smoked bourbon barbecue sandwich. Done.